Let's make this warm and comforting winter Amla Rasam. Start by grinding Amla and green chilies. After grinding, it should look something like this. In a pot, add 2 chopped tomatoes, the ground Amla chili mix, and some water. Let this mixture boil for about 10 minutes. Now add in the cooked dal. I've used 1 cup of dal which is already boiled. Pour in more water to adjust the consistency just the way you like it. Next add in the turmeric and the rasam powder. I'm using pepper rasam powder here. I'll link the video below. Add salt to taste and let everything simmer for about 10 minutes on a medium flame. As everything is boiling, let's prepare the tadka. Heat a little oil, add mustard seeds, crushed garlic and the curry leaves. Let them all splutter and pour this fragrant tadka into the boiling rasam. Now it's ready to be served hot and enjoy this nourishing winter rasam.